Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble an orchid, and I have a couple of them made right here. This is a super simple flower and great for beginners. But here I have the template cut out from cardstock, colored cardstock, and this one's simple enough that you can do it by hand or you can cut it on your cutting machine. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to curl the petals, and I'm using my scraper device here. If you don't have a scraper, you can always just use, you can use like a credit card or scissors or any sort of straight edge. So after you curl the petals, it's really easy. You just glue the layers together. I usually like to use tacky glue, but the hot glue gun dries a little bit faster, so for the purposes of the tutorial, I tend to stick to the hot glue gun. That's it.